Each module section has a Chew lesson component towards the bottom of the screen. The Chew is a formative assessment. It measures how you apply the learning from the lesson section to demonstrate understanding of our goal. It's an assessment that is for learning. It helps you apply the learning that has been done thus far. All Chews are being conducted in a form of a question. The question is listed in the module topic and introduction video section. To record your response, under the Learning Material and Program Resources, hover over the Chew question link and select the form link. You'll be redirected to a Google form where you can type in your response and hit submit when completed.